What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Yota Xpedition. If you're new to our channel, we do a whole bunch of product installs, we do vehicle builds and stuff like that, so make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're into that kind of stuff. But today we are going to be doing a quick install on some screen protectors. We have a bunch of different options available here at Yota Xpedition, ranging from the 3rd gen Tacoma, the 5th gen 4Runner. We got the 8-inch and 14-inch screen protectors for the newer model Toyotas, and we also have stuff for the new Land Cruiser, including the instrument cluster. So let's go ahead, jump into our 4th generation Tacoma. We're gonna get the matte screen protector installed on that. We have some available in a matte finish and also a gloss finish. We'll show you the differences between those two, but let's go ahead and get this installed. Before we hop into our Tacoma and get ready for the install, I just want to mention that the installation for all of these is going to be pretty much the same. The only difference is the shape of the screen protector and whether you get gloss or matte. All right, so we're in our new Tacoma. We have our 14-inch display here, and this has no screen protector on it currently. You can see it does get pretty smudgy, and this is going to be pretty much the same look you would get with the gloss finish. So if you want the same look as OEM, this is pretty much what you're gonna have. We have the gloss finish in our 6th gen 4Runner, so we'll throw a couple clips of that in so you can see what the gloss finish looks like. But we're gonna be putting the matte finish on the Tacoma here so you guys can see what that looks like. So you have the kit here, comes with everything you need. So the first thing we're gonna do is get the screen cleaned off, get all those fingerprints removed, and then apply the new screen protector. So we're gonna get this opened. We have a cleaning pad here. We're gonna get the screen cleaned off. If you've ever installed a screen protector on your phone, your iPhone, this is essentially the same exact steps. So let's go ahead and clean this. Get all those fingerprints off, get all the dust off. Then we'll take the cloth that's included and we'll wipe the screen down again, making sure all the smudge marks are gone and the white marks from the wet nap. Might have to go over it a few times to make sure it's nice and clear. Now we also have this included. If there is any pieces of dust on the screen that are being annoying, you can just simply go like this to get those pieces of dust off. Also, there is some guide stickers on here that you can apply to the screen protector to help you get it applied to your screen. So before we get the new screen protector installed, you can see there is already scratches on this. So it's best to try to get one of these installed on your screens as soon as you can, but this one's already scratched up. So right here we got the new screen protector. We're going to pull that out. Obviously make sure that you're not going to bend this or anything because it will crack. So we're going to throw 2 of these stickers on just so we don't have to take the chance of touching the back side of the screen protector while we're installing it. So we'll just put 2 of these on here. And now you can see right here there is a pull tab. We are going to be pulling this protective film off of the screen protector, and this is the side that is going to go against the screen of the radio. So once we peel this off, we don't want to touch it, otherwise we are going to end up getting some fingerprints on there. So let's get that peeled off, just like so. And now we can hold on to these and we can get it lined up with our radio. So just take your time. Right, like that. Go ahead and push down the middle. And then we're going to take the squeegee that's included. We're going to work from the middle out. And you can see the air escaping. Make sure you get all the way to the corners. And that's pretty much it. We can go ahead and remove these little guide stickers. And there you have it. That is the matte finish screen protector on our 4th gen Tacoma. All right, let's go ahead and back this thing out. of the garage and we'll take a look at how the screen protector is out in the sun. And we'll also show you the 6th Gen 4Runner that has the gloss finish again. It's not very sunny right now, but it's better than inside the garage. You can definitely see that there is less glare on the screen protector, which is nice, but you can still see the radio fine. I'll shut this off. We'll get some B-roll of the screen protector and the glare, and then we'll go over and compare it to the gloss version. All right guys, that's gonna be a wrap on the installation for our screen protectors. Hopefully this helped. If you have any questions about the product or the installation, drop a comment down below. If you wanna grab one of these screen protectors for one of your Toyotas, make sure to head over to our website, yotaxpedition.com. Our link is down in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.